Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan hima.
Hadian bakaseng Jaintia Students Movement kalayo ia kajing ujor baki katu kat nengut kinong trai kibatrai hakate ke company Dalmia kabadan hatang kesai East Jaintia Hills mendakasngi pratrai unai weng arajar arpaway kinong ya lambat gidikhat kane kaseng kilahiar syakane ke company bantu kelar ya kate kakam hakane ka jingjia la yo iru balami katmaktin hapdeng ki pulet ke jela bat gidikhat kaseng JSM. Hadian ka jing tuklar bat ka jing keren kaseng bat ki bor penya jogate ka company kinong trai ri bala syabe kam kilayo lat beang bantrai hakate ka company kane ka jing jia syabe kam jing sya le ben sya nyau siliang ki breu jongi haki bar jela bunsin ka sya jia kha ka GSM kala maham teng e ya kane ka company bat ya kiwe ru ki company badan hapo ka thain East Jaintia bagi dai ban ailat ki samla bala nang lastan bantrai kum kalat banyo kam yo jam bala dadang jia kum kani ka jingjia kaseng kan syem da kawai pat kalat kalenti persya ya kum kini ki company
nya buram ya piwar yang ga JSM yang i kam da ki ini apa company da back ini company ngau ni puyua te imem lat de na i depan jingarap ina ji yang nagini gi JSM te gi pli kam ada maya gi prapenar te wan yarap ni wan gi pli chin sport company cepa dalmiani wan ya klam di nei bahak benta jong te krek ki yong i te kwao we kerpat oi pi waro wato da yo ai ni jing krek yong i te ile dokumen menseni te ye pile we ci ajar nu be school
ina kaliang ka Jaintia Student Movement waro ai bi hade wada yo i ka jing complain nagi prado prasnam yong i wa krek hakan di ka cement plan Dalmia Cement Factory bercabe krek gi kan te ina kaliang i uya kuni nakapta yung jai brug yung i nawan ini wa tuklar heto yung gani kam gadin wa yaklami wa local director yung gani Dalmia Cement Factory da klogi pada priangi wa krek yang ya ki bru yung i produk prosnam ki wa krek ini pura chabe krek lo rite na male wa sia pala chu i liang kasing awa ipoi ha gani Dalmia Cement Factory sia plai wa gi pulis da em chuagi da yang chuagi da aging idagi gani ka Cement Factory impi pina hagya gedau kata ina kaliang asin u ai ya ka jisen waro ki factory u emapo Jaintia wadok im hoy ule ben gi ya ki prado prasnam gi hoy ule harassment gi ya ki prado prasnam gi wadok gi hap ugi wa buram ya ki trechnong hap gi buram ya wa kre ani ina lang sa upai isli em ginu hapo Jaintia im chong ti ku wani nam ta yo khang i nam ta aging dai ya ki brung i wa kre ha gani ka Cement Factory WM ini hapo Jaintia bagar pari le la em givi gi nong chnong ane gi trejla gi gua kre ha givi factory hapo Jaintia atau wan pichakaman lu ABE complain nakaliang yung igasen ulai tu klari uya klami uya sayi uya dai nakapta uyoi ya gi hok yung di tre Hauli nagi trejla nagi brutre chnongi wakre hapo yang ganika Cement Factory WM hapo yang Jaintia waro gavi.
According to us, we have come to know that two of our people, they have been chased out from the workplace. The way they treat our people, it's not just Dalmia, it's been all around the cement plant. We have come here today a simple power to show that our people, they have the blood that cries from the ground on our stem. Therefore, I speak to all authorities from here, from today onwards, there should be no compulsion on our people. Our people, their lives matter to us. We are here to fight for them. Their salary has been delayed for how many months? And though the people from Assam, every month the payment has been cleared. What about our people? What about this director here? What is he sitting in his office here? Fighting for who? He's fighting for the people of our people. If he cannot stand, we will make sure we will make him sit down. There's many people who can stand on issues. Therefore, we from the Jaintia Student Movement, we have a clear-cut message to the company from today onwards. There should be no harassment to our people. They cannot chase our people out unless there's a very crucial or critical stage.